what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna fire up the Blackstone Griddle for this one. I'm gonna do some griddle chicken sandwiches. Basically, I'm just gonna pound a couple of these out pretty thin. I got some sharp cheddar cheese with some bacon, little thinly sliced tomato with some lettuce, and I'm gonna do a mayo. It's gonna have some stuff in there. It's gonna have a little bit of garlic and some serrano chili and some cilantro and a little bit of citrus. And that's gonna be it. Just like always, easy ass food coming to you guys, so check this one out. Here we go. All right, so I got a few chicken breasts right here. Tried to find equal sized ones. Just gonna try to dry these off. All right, so what you could do is you could throw all these in a big old Ziploc bag and then pound them out thin like that. But I got a bunch of saran wrap, so I'm gonna lay it across here, put all the chicken down and put saran wrap over the top and just pound them out like that. I'm not trying to go paper thin with these. I just wanna pound them pretty thin just so they're kind of equal. So there you go. So these might be a little too big for the bun I'm using, but it doesn't matter. It's gonna be some sloppy chicken sandwiches. Now I'm only using two. I'm gonna save the other one for later. All right, so for the seasoning, I'm just gonna put a little bit of kosher salt. And I got some of the Killer Hogs BBQ rub. Might as well use it. Got it sitting around. Just a little bit of salt because that rub has salt in there, so. Now I'm just gonna hit one side with some black pepper. And I'll let these hang out in the fridge while I make the mayo. Couple of serrano chilies. I want it spicy. A little bit of some cilantro in there. A couple cloves of garlic. And the juice of one lemon. It is a little runny, but it should be all right. Just gonna spread it on, it'll be good. All right, I could char these jalapenos on the Blackstone if I wanted to, but it's way quicker to just throw them on these, on this open flame right here. All right, so all I did when those chilies rested for like 10 minutes in the bowl, they kind of like sweated up a little bit, and I just ran it under water and scraped all the charred skin off. You can scrape it off with a knife also. But it's simple as that. I'm just gonna cut these up and kind of lay them out flat and then put them on the sandwich. And I never usually take the seeds out, but just for this, I just want everything to lay flat. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, so I'm gonna get this up to temperature, and then I'm gonna have the right side on low heat and the left side on high heat. I'm gonna bring the bacon up slowly on the left, and when it's done, I'm gonna move it over, and then I'm gonna cook everything else on the left side, and it's all gonna come together beautifully. All right, I'm not putting no oil down because a lot of fat's gonna come off the bacon. There you go, guys. Some sloppy ass, oversized chicken sandwiches. And it's still gonna be good. Hell yeah. I feel like everything goes really good on that. You get the spice from the jalapeno on there. Nice and cheesy with the bacon. And that mayo is really good too. So if this looks good to you guys, try it out. Super easy. Also, I just want to thank you guys because I'm coming up on 2,000 subscribers. And I just want to thank all the usual people who always comment, all the other YouTube channels, any fans of the channel that always make it through the videos and give thumbs up. You guys know who you are. The ones that always leave positive comments, I just really appreciate it. It took me like a year and a half to get almost to 1,000 subs, and like within the last 6 months, I got another 1,000. So hopefully it keeps building and building. And I need to be more consistent. Like, I'm just a lazy ass, bottom line is all it is. But if you come across this channel, it's your first time watching, think about subscribing and giving a thumbs up, leaving a comment. Thanks again, guys. I'll think of something next because I'm always just flying by the seat of my pants with this. So see you next time. Peace out, guys.